Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alezura and this is my research partner.
My name is Said Abdul Rahman.
We are from MAN 1 Banda Aceh.
We are one of ISPO finalists year 2022 in the field of chemistry.
Badan Pusat Statistik rilis Indonesia's economic growth grew positive 3.51% year-on-year. The farm sector is listed as one of the agricultural sector that consistently contribute to the economic growth, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. In the third quarter of 2021, the agricultural sector grew 1.31%. Looking at the commodity that is always changing and the unstable of world of commodity that is increase can be said as a great achievement.
Many factors affect the increased success of agricultural production, but the role in the fruit maturation become a challenge for the hospital of the horticultural industry. Ethylene is an important vegetable hormone involved in the process of fruit maturation. Under uncontrolled conditions, ethylene gas emission often cause product degradation to faster post-harvest and the storing process, which lead to a significant decline in the percentage of the product. Therefore, it takes an innovation to control ethylene percent easily, efficiently, and stable, so that preliminary precise can be done to increase the harvest.
Metal semiconductor has high level of sensitivity, not toxic, easy to prescription, flexible, and low cost in synthesis process. But the problem is the temperature for the best performance of this sensor is relatively high, so it is not possible to apply fruit in such temperature condition. Polyaniline is one of the conductive polymer with easy to synthesize advantages, simple fabrication, low production cost, and high stability in the air and water. Gas sensor made of polyaniline operates at room temperature and showing a high response and fast. As a unique polymer, polyaniline can be set the conductivity level through the base acid doping process.
Therefore, in this study, we will create a prototype gas sensor based on conductive polyaryl doping hydrochloric acid polymer. For ethylene gas detection, application generated from climatically harvested fruit.
Research was conducted at Chemical Laboratory MAN 1 Banda Aceh. The main tools and materials used in this study are as follows.
The data acquisition method is done two phases. The first was the synthesis of doping hydrochloric acid semiconductor polyaniline. Then the second do characterize polyaniline doping hydrochloric acid synthesis results. The data collected in this study include the aspect of synthesis doping hydrochloric acid polyaniline with electrode position method. Characterization of polyaniline hydrochloric acid synthesis result with a FTIR and UV spectrum. Next, gas sensor performance by using avometer. As for how to analyze data and the interpretation of the interpretation is presented in the following table.
A total of 2 gram aniline was dissolved into 40 milliliter of hydrochloric acid 1 molar solution. The dissolution that had been created was included into the cell with 2 electrode system using the current source of the AA 1.5 volt size of the 2 pieces of the paper series. In general, the polyaniline polymerization mechanism occurs in several stages, namely initiation, dimerize, and polymerization.
The synthesis result of polyaniline are made by characterization using UV spectroscopy. In the form of emerald base, the number N with double N is the same, so that structure is only one coinoid ring. The UV spectrum of emerald base consists only 2 peaks. The first peak at 630 nm shows that excitation of electron from the benzenoid ring to the coinoid ring. Unlike the emerald salt, the establishment of new energy level caused by the formation of polar occurs in 451 nm that indicate the excitation of non-bonding electron to benzenoid. Furthermore, all resistant data is being extrapolated into the light equation to determine the rate of ethylene gas in this case. The absorption of ethylene gas on the polyaniline surface rises faster with the concentration of hydrochloric acid 1 molar dopant compared to 1.5 molar This proves that the more conductive the polyaniline that result from synthesis, then the process of acquisition is getting better.
Before use as a sensor, polyaniline synthesis result firstly conducted the characteristic of the FTIR spectrum, as well as after being used as a sensor. Peak intensity is 1480 to the power -1, looks very high at the time of the polyaniline after use. This shows two possibilities. The first ethylene is superior to the material of the material. Based on the result of this research, it can be concluded that characterization using UV spectrum. Polyaniline that result from synthesis process are instead of emerging salt.
Polyaniline with 1 molar dopant showed the greatest resistance of the measurement. As for mango, there was with a difference of 10.2 after 1 day.
The absorption of ethylene gas on the polyaniline surface lasts faster with the concentration of hydrochloric acid 1 molar dopant compared to 0.5 molar.
This research suggests that advice and improvement should be made in the stage of sensor fabrication. In addition, it is required more experiment on the variation of the polyaniline and dopant composition, pH influence, temperature influence, and extensive contact area of the sensor material. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.